Hello, everyone. So this short screencast is going to show you how to access the materials in the Illustrative Math site. I know I showed a couple of people, but this site is great because it does have prompts that you can use with the students, and you can use them for, independent work. If you're having them do a solve and share, you could have the students do it independently also if you're doing like any kind of math journaling. But you can also use it for small group instruction if you're pulling your students back to do like deeper dives within the standard. So I did create grade level groups. You guys today in the PD will see that. So when you go into the grade level group that I created for you, they're called Hebville. Each grade level has one. So we'll just go here to Hebville second grade group. So once you click on your Hebville second grade group, it's going to be under your resources. And you'll see here that I linked in your illustrative mathematics. So when you click on illustrative mathematics, it will bring you to your grade level, like where your grade level is. But if it doesn't, if it brings you to this site, let's say you just wanted to Google illustrative mathematics, what you would do is, first of all, this is full of great resources and it does have curriculum. Obviously, we're not using the curriculum from illustrative math, but you're going to go over here to the left and it looks like a little staircase. If you click on this, this brings you to the content standards. You're going to find your grade level, and then you can actually search and dig deep into the domains and the standards. So I know that, Unit 2 for second grade, they are geometry. So you would look at the standards. So their standard is 2.G.A.1. So it's second grade is the 2. The G stands for geometry. It's the cluster, and it's cluster A. And then the standard is the last number. So you'll see there's 3 standards here, but second grade unit 2 is dealing with standard 1 and standard 2. So if I click on standard 1, right here it gives me my task. If I click on my task, you'll see this is what it looks like. So it gives you the task. It also gives you commentary. The commentary is great to read through because it does cover some misconceptions. It talks about things that you should say, not say, things that you should avoid. This is why I'm saying you can actually pull this for a small group, or just if you're pushing it out to the students and it's like things that you might want to, especially if they're doing some kind of solve and share and they're sharing it in like a discussion in Schoology. Some of the responses you could give back to them is really making sure that they're using the appropriate vocabulary and any kind of misconceptions that they might have. If you click on student view here, this is actually what you would print out for the students to put in their journal, which you use in small groups. I would just click the print the task, and this is what would be printed. And then this is what the students could cut out and glue in their interactive notebooks if that's what you're doing. So again, I'll show you one more time. We'll look up another standard. So I'm going to go back to Unit 1 standard for second grade. So again, we're going to go over here to our content standards, find our grade level, and we're going to pick orders and algebraic thinking because one of their standards is 2.OA.1. So orders and algebraic thinking. The cluster that I'm picking is A, and the standard is 1. And you'll see I have 2 tasks here. So let's pick saving money. And then student view, I can print the task. If I don't want to print it, let's say I want to add it to a discussion, I can always just go down here and use my snipping tool. I could snip this and add this image into a discussion post in Schoology as well. So that is another option for you. I hope this was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, you can just email me or you can leave me a message in Schoology. Have a great day.